Hey there, Homestead. It's Elizabeth from Community, and today I'm going to show you how to move elements in a mobile site. So the first thing I want to mention is that the mobile site is built in sections. So what I mean by that is when you're building your desktop site, you see these horizontal dotted lines. Those are sections on your website, and any elements that you need to have grouped together should be built within the same section. So for example, this image and this text box. If I have this image sort of halfway, when I go into the mobile, it's possible that it's going to be put in a different section than I actually want it to be. And in the mobile, you can't move it to a different section. So I couldn't move it down here in the mobile. So you just have to make sure to build within sections and keep any elements that you want grouped together within the same section. That way you have the control that you need in the mobile. Now, if you want to move something in the mobile within the section, you definitely can. You just click and drag, and you're going to see this black line that indicates where the element's going to go to give you more control over moving those elements. And then last thing I want to mention is, let's say you decide in the mobile you do not like this image. You want it removed. You could do this with any element, but we're going to use the image as an example. You just click on the image and click this icon that says hide in mobile, and then it's going to ask you if you're sure you want to hide it. You click yes, and then that element's gone. But if you decide you liked the image better in the mobile, you can click on settings, and under hidden elements you're going to see that element, and you click the eyeball icon and it's going to bring it back. So it's really easy editing stuff like that in the mobile.